Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. If you're looking for a way to keep your orchids healthy, full of new roots, growing fast, and blooming all year round, then today's video is just for you. With a very simple method, no chemical fertilizers needed, you can help your orchids revive strongly, produce many new flower spikes with dense buds on each stem, and most importantly, enjoy long-lasting, vibrant, and colorful blooms for months. This is the natural secret I want to share with you today, so that anyone can care for their orchids to stay healthy, beautiful, and in bloom all year round right at home. To make today's fertilizer, I'll be using 1 mandarin orange. Normally, after eating the fruit, we tend to throw away the peel. But few people know that mandarin peels contain a rich amount of natural essential oils that have antibacterial properties, repel insects, and especially help stimulate the growth of orchid roots and leaves. In addition, mandarin peels are rich in vitamin C, calcium, and natural organic compounds that help plants absorb nutrients more effectively, making the leaves greener, glossier, and the flowers longer, lasting and more vibrant. That's why today I'm going to make use of this natural ingredient to create a simple yet effective fertilizer solution that will help your orchids recover and grow vigorously. After cutting the mandarin peel into small pieces, I put all of them into a clean glass jar. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of boiling water. Next, I'll use turmeric powder. Turmeric contains a high amount of curcumin, a natural antibacterial and antifungal compound that helps prevent root and leaf rot while stimulating faster root growth. I'll add 1 spoonful of turmeric powder into the jar containing the mandarin peels. Gently stir to let the ingredients blend together, then cover the jar and let it sit until the solution cools down completely. Before fertilizing your orchid, make sure to rinse the entire plant with clean water. This is a very important step that many people often skip. Rinsing helps evenly moisten the growing medium and the roots, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively when fertilized afterward. If you apply fertilizer when the roots are dry, the concentrated solution can easily damage the delicate root tissues, causing root burn or nutrient shock. In addition, rinsing also helps wash away dust, mineral salts, and residues that may have built up on the surface of the growing medium after multiple waterings, keeping the root environment clean and well ventilated. Once the plant is fully moistened, that's the perfect time to move on to fertilizing, when the orchid can take in nutrients gently and efficiently. Once the mixture has completely cooled, I'll use a fine strainer to remove all the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This is the part that contains the highest concentration of essential oils and nutrients extracted from the orange peel and turmeric powder. Next, I'll dilute this concentrated liquid with 1 liter of clean water to create a natural fertilizer solution with a gentle concentration, perfect for nurturing orchids without causing any shock to the plant. Method 1. I'll use a portion of this solution to clean the orchid leaves. Take a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth, lightly soak it in the diluted orange peel and turmeric mixture, then gently wipe both sides of the orchid leaves. Start from the base and move toward the tip to avoid breaking or scratching the leaf surface. While cleaning, pay special attention to the leaf crevices. These spots often accumulate dust, mold, and bacteria, which can lead to leaf rot if not cleaned regularly. Cleaning the leaves with this solution not only removes dust buildup, but also enhances the plant's ability to absorb light, improving photosynthesis and helping the orchid grow healthier and greener. The natural essential oils in orange peel help repel insects, thrips, aphids, and harmful fungi, while turmeric powder contains active compounds with antibacterial properties that prevent rot and help heal damaged leaf tissues. When applied regularly, about once every 10 to 15 days, you'll notice that the orchid's leaves become glossier, thicker, and stronger, especially for plants that are in the recovery phase after pruning or repotting. Method 2. I'll use the remaining orange peel and turmeric solution to water the base of the orchid. When watering, it's best to use a small spout watering can so that the liquid flows gently around the roots, allowing the solution to soak evenly into the growing medium without damaging the tender new roots. Watering the orchid base with this solution provides numerous benefits for the plant. First, the natural essential oils in orange peel help disinfect the growing medium, preventing mold and harmful insects, especially fungi that cause root rot or base decay. Meanwhile, turmeric powder contains compounds that aid in root tissue regeneration, stimulate new root growth, and help heal damaged root areas quickly. You should apply this watering method once or twice a month, especially after repotting or when the plant is in its recovery phase. This simple approach not only strengthens the orchid's natural resistance, but also promotes uniform growth from roots to leaves, helping the plant produce long-lasting and vibrant blooms. Method 3. I'll use the mandarin peel and turmeric solution as a mist spray for the orchid. Pour the diluted mixture into a spray bottle with a fine nozzle, then gently mist it over the entire plant, including the stems, leaves, and aerial roots. Misting the orchid with this solution helps provide natural moisture, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients through its leaves more quickly. The essential oils in the mandarin peel also help repel small pests like aphids, red mites, and thrips, common culprits that cause leaves to yellow and wilt. Meanwhile, the turmeric acts as a natural protective layer, preventing fungal infections and enhancing the leaf's ability to heal from minor damage. You should mist your orchids early in the morning or late in the afternoon, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent the solution from burning the leaves. By consistently applying this method once or twice a week, you'll notice the leaves becoming lush, glossy, and vibrant, while the roots grow stronger. Most impressively, new flower buds will form more quickly and bloom more evenly across the plant. This is a simple yet highly effective care method that helps your orchids stay healthy, vibrant, and blooming beautifully all year round. About 30 minutes after misting, carefully observe your orchid, especially the leaf surfaces and the spaces between them. If you notice that too much water or solution remains on the leaves, gently blot the excess with a soft cotton pad or clean cloth. This drying step is extremely important because if water stays trapped in the leaf joints, especially near the crown or leaf base, the plant can easily develop rot. This is one of the most common problems orchid growers face during care. By wiping off the excess moisture properly, the plant can fully absorb the remaining nutrients on the leaf surface while keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated. This enhances photosynthesis efficiency, speeds up recovery, and encourages new flower spikes to grow stronger. After completing the 3 care methods above, place your orchid in a bright but well-ventilated area with gentle light. Avoid direct sunlight on the leaves. This is the stage when the plant needs to rest and gradually absorb the natural nutrients from the orange peel and turmeric solution. A cool, airy environment will help the orchid recover faster and grow more steadily. Results. After consistent care with the orange peel and turmeric solution, you'll soon notice new roots sprouting around the base of your orchid. These roots are firm, plump, and slightly ivory or pale green, a clear sign that the plant is actively absorbing nutrients. The older roots also become tougher and more resilient, no longer shriveled, helping the orchid anchor securely in its growing medium and maintain a stable shape. The leaves gradually become thicker, smoother, and more vibrant. Their green color turns brighter with a gentle, natural sheen, thanks to the essential oils from orange peel and the antibacterial compounds in turmeric, which keep the leaf surface clean, breathable, and free from fungal infections. This also enhances photosynthesis, allowing the plant to grow stronger day by day. Once the roots and leaves are well developed, the orchid begins channeling its energy toward producing flower spikes. You'll start seeing small green buds emerging at the leaf axils or near the base. Those are the early signs of new flower stems. Over time, these spikes elongate and strengthen, carrying the renewed vitality of your orchid. When blooming time arrives, the result is truly stunning. Each flower opens fully, evenly, and vibrantly. The petals are thicker, more colorful, and stay fresh for much longer. Entire clusters bloom in harmony, radiating health and beauty. This is the most rewarding proof that gentle natural care, when done correctly and consistently, can bring out the very best in your orchids. Take care of your orchids with passion and dedication, because every drop of water and every gentle wipe of a leaf is a moment of connection between you and nature. When you give your plants consistent, loving attention, they can truly feel that positive energy. And in return, they'll reward you with vibrant, healthy blossoms full of life. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about the beautiful results you've achieved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden so we can continue exploring more amazing orchid care secrets together.